everybody, and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host, Soul, and today we will be doing a look inside of Bleach Volume 1 for Blu-ray. So this is the cover. His hair looks kind of like blonde there, but it's just, this whole slipcase is chrome, like coloring. Here's the side and the back. And the other side, which is the same. And then they continue with the chrome like coloring on the cover, actual cover. It's the same. And there's the back. They actually show more of the characters, which is nice. And then they have Ichigo on the cover, or the inside artwork with his Zanpakuto. And here is disc 1. It's episodes 1 through 7. Disc 2 is 8 through 14. Disc 3 is episodes 15 through 21. And disc 4, the final disc, is 22 through 27. And there's the inside artwork on the back. That has been Bleach on Blu-ray, Volume 1. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.